were chasing each other.
They were? Oh my goodness. Give it a good swish. It's like down and up. Down and up. Good looking beetle there.
Yep.
We're looking for fish.
Caught a net.
We're looking
in
for
our
fish
net,
too.
and our nets, and we're gonna bring the microscope to study them.
They were doing a program called Microscope Discoveries, where we use microscopes to help see things in a new perspective. And so we specifically use materials that are from Swan Lake, like spores from ferns and mushroom gills, and of course Swan Lake water, which is right here behind me, and lets them see creatures that they may not have known ever existed, much less in our freshwater here in Victoria. Well, today we found copepods, and we found rotifers, which are just the really, really tiny little zooplankton. But later on, using nets and pond dipping here in the lake, we found dragonfly and damselfly nymphs, which are the juvenile aquatic phase of those creatures. And we found some fish and some snails and even some leeches, which was very exciting. Swan Lake is a nonprofit society that was formed almost 40 years ago. Basically what we do is preserve the land and also expose people to why this is such a special place, why Victoria is a special place, and why we should care about protecting it.